people, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl once again, the Anne. So guys, if you are stopping by this channel, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so once I post up a new video here, you'll be the first to get notified, guys. So guys, as you can see on the caption, it's just going to be a video on how to make a simple makeup. So if you are interested in videos like this, why not hit the red subscribe button now and turn on the notification bell. So let's get to it. Hey guys, it's your girl once again, the Anne. So guys, I started off by applying my primer, but before that I already had done my skincare off cam. I applied my sunscreen, my face scrub and all of that good stuff, and I recommend that you should do that too. You should take care of your skin first before you go into applying the makeup. So guys, at this point I was already done with my primer. Then I went over to draw my brows. It's not for the weak. So how I used to draw my brows is I first of all go over with the right one, because I used to get the pattern of my right brows correctly. Then I go on to my left brow with the pattern on which I used to draw my right brows. Another secret I must recommend is following the pattern of your original brow. Me, I normally used to follow the pattern, so when I follow the pattern, I get what I want because that's my face fitting. Then after filling my brows, this is what it turned out to be. I was busy admiring the work here, then I went over to outline my brows with my concealer. I outlined these brows perfectly to fit my face, guys, because basically the concealer fitting works in 1,000 ways. Like, once you perfectly outline your brows, it brings out the beauty of the brows. So guys, it's about me outlining my brows and blending the concealer so perfectly. Anyways, I just blended the concealer off cam, and this is me applying my eyeshadow. I went in first with a lighter shade, then I'll be going over with a darker shade to bring out the beauty of the eyeshadow. Anyways, you can see I added extra toppings, which is my concealer. Then I left it to dry for about 15 to 10 seconds. Then I went in with a lighter eyeshadow, and trust me, this was so beautiful, guys. The outcome was so perfect. Like, I didn't even expect it, but it came out so nice. Anyways guys, I went over to apply my mascara and I applied it immediately. I was done with my eyeshadow because I love the look mascara used to give my makeup, and it always makes my makeup look so outstanding. Anyways, I was really struggling with this mascara, but guess what, guys? I made it. I applied the mascara, but you know what? I tried my best as much as possible, because why not? Anyway, the mascara was given, then I went over to apply my foundation. Anyways, I applied this foundation throughout my face and my neck, and I made sure that it was perfectly blended. Like, I blended it so well. Even with the whole eyeshadow and everything, I still blended my makeup, my foundation so well.
blend.
So guys, at this point I was done with my makeup, and this is me looking all beautiful, all fine, looking 10 over 10 minus nothing.